Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Facebook. You will enter the settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Facebook and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode to fix that problem.